good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3081st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, all right, so let me show you what's on the screen first and then we'll talk. This is crude oil. Crude oil has done a great job bouncing off this average. One hit, big bounce. One hit, big bounce. But what's happening here? Knock, 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 knock. That's way more knocks on the door than you usually get. And I find in this arena, when you knock on a door enough times in the trading arena, that door opens. So we've got a red Omni for trading crude oil, for trading on Friday. And if crude goes down, it helps the stock market go up, especially if interest rates behave. So let's see what happens with the red Omni. But more, what I wanted to discuss with you was this. If you are experiencing difficulty lately trading, no matter what your approach is, Omni, you name it, your approach, if you're having trouble lately, understand this, people. I've been doing this 45 years. The current market segment we are in, the environment is war on, war off. Oh, war on. Oh, wait, hold on. Same day, war off. By the end of the day, war on. 3 times you'll hear war on, war off, war back on in the same day. Now, these markets are flipping like crazy because of that. My Omni has flipped like a fish out of water for the last few weeks. Oh my God, the last few days, this has been tough navigating. It's not you. We've got a situation that's unusual. Here's why. Generally not. After 45 years, I've seen the markets react to a lot of wars. What always has happened is this. Once the war news on, off, whatever, we get into a war, it's not war is on, war is off, war is on, war is off. We get into a war, we dig our feet in, and time passes. The markets absorb it and move on. But what this is different. This is, we're having a war, we're not. The markets have to absorb. We're back to a war, we're not. The markets have to absorb. It's creating grand volatility. Now, here's what I will tell you after 45 years of doing this. The good thing is that these news-driven volatile segments that we're in, they always tend to pass. The markets digest the news and they do move on. But if you're having a rough time right now, yeah, you better believe you are. I am. Everyone is. This has been very difficult. You'll get a market that'll go up, and before you even get a chance to get out, complexion changes and it's hitting your stop. This has been constant. Why? Well, because the markets like a little bit more certainty than we're in a war. War's been off. Well, canceled. Nope, peace treaty. Oh, no peace treaty. Oh, my God, peace treaty. The markets don't know what to do with that. So if you're having trouble, don't beat yourselves up. What you do is you go back to basics, we call it. You go down to one lot trading only. You behave. You get out as quick as you can, and you wait for things to calm down just a little. And they will. And you'll be able to get back into whatever system you're using, the Omni or otherwise. So yes, of course, it's been rough and tumble. Don't blame yourselves. This is not easy right now. The best pros in the world are having trouble right now because of so much uncertainty. So don't beat yourselves up. You're going to be just fine. Go down to basics, trade one lots only. Make sure your stops go in first, and you'll be okay. The Omni's going to be okay. We will all be okay. I've been doing this for decades, kids. This stuff always passes. Now, if crude does go down tonight, that will help the markets recover. Oddly enough, my Omni's still asking me to buy deep dips in the U.S. indices, and that's what I will do if something sets up. My Omni's telling me to sell crude oil. I'll do that too if something sets up. We'll see what's going to happen. Traders, I hope this helps. Now, the next thing is, go Knights, go, baby. Our Knicks won last night. Our Knights are going to win again tonight. They won their first game. I can't wait. I'm going to run out there and see the game right now. Thank you for everything you do. Thank you for watching these videos. Please leave your comments below. OmniCamp, any campers who've sent me OmniCamp applications this week, I'm calling all of you tomorrow. If you haven't sent in your application and you'd like to, very simple, before OmniCamp takes place, it's only 3 weeks from now, you're just going to go to omnibootcamp.com, omnibootcamp.com. And that is it. You'll go there, you'll fill out your application, and I will qualify you for a seat OmniCamp happens in 3 weeks. If you don't fill out this application and me call you over the weekend, we might run out of time. Make sure you fill out those applications. I'll call anyone that did fill them out on Friday. Thank you for everything you do. Remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are not out yet. You know why? I didn't show you one thing. Hold on. Look at the Omni trading token. It's doing great, kids. Omni Phoenix to the rescue. Look at the Omni Phoenix token. It is doing great. OMNIPHX, please keep doing what you're doing. I promise you I've got whales coming in. They're going to start coming in shortly. When they do, please welcome them. Don't jump out of your shares. Hold on to your coins. Welcome the whales, and we will organically get this coin back to where it belongs. Now, let me say, emotions are rock and roll traders. Thank you for all you do. Leave your comments below. Thank you. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.